Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show to you how to replace the engine air filter for Toyota Vios. So I got this new air filter from the Lazada online shops, and now this is my car. I'm going to open up the bonnet, and we're going to open up the bonnet and to locate the where's the air filter compartment. Okay, the air filter compartment which is located at the right side of the engine bay, and this is my air filter compartment. And this is my new air filter. And now I'm going to show to you how to open the air filter compartment. There's two clips over there. Remove the first clip and then remove the second clips over there. So it's very straightforward and pretty simple. Now we open up the cover, and this is where we can locate the old air filter. And this is my dirty air filter, which I've been using for the past 1 year. So this air filter actually lasts me like approximate 30,000 kms. So it's very dirty and is very inefficient. You can see how dark and black color is it of the air filters. It's always dark and contaminations. And if you put it right by side with the new air filter, you can see the difference is so much difference. And then now I'm going to show to you how actually to put it back, the new air filter, into the compartment. It's very straightforward. Just make sure that you put the orientation at the right directions, and just make sure the orientation in the air filter in the right directions and is fit perfectly according to the casing size. You can see the orientation of the air filter is in the right directions and is fit perfectly to the air filter's compartment. Yep, double check before I close it down. After confirms the right orientation, then proceed to close the air compartment filter. Once everything is good, it's fit, make sure you glue it back. Yes, it's completed. The whole process is very simple and easy. Now throw away the old air filters and enjoy your drive.